still sitting here. I am exhausted, but it's fine. I've read, don't judge my blue book cover, but honestly for a day I've read quite a bit. If you know me, I am not a fast reader. I am not one that reads so diligently like that. And yeah, I've been at it. I feel like I've been talking about my period for forever, but yeah, I'm supposed to get it today or something, probably tomorrow. So I completely know these feelings. I feel lethargic, I feel tired. At least I went for my walk, but nonetheless. I hope you're having a great Tuesday though.